Hi guys, welcome back to Style with Substance and welcome to my second video of the new year. I just want to thank you for coming back if you have, and if this is your first time here then welcome. My name is Nadreen and I'm going to be talking to you guys a little bit about why I'm here on YouTube, why I started my channel and what my mission is for creating videos and what I hope to get out of it as far as my influence in this little space. So if you like the sound of that and you're here for the first time or you're coming back in a new year and you want to find out a little bit more about what I'm going to be about and what I'm going to be up to content wise, then please keep watching. For those of you that don't know, I don't do YouTube full time. I am a digital marketing professional by trade, so that's kind of what I do and that's what I've studied. I am Ugandan, raised in the UK. Grew up in a family of 4. I'm the oldest of 4, so you guys will kind of see a lot of them on my channel, or if you go to my channel homepage you'll kind of see who they are. I'm basically a young black British female kind of living in the Western world, just sort of doing my thing. So hopefully that kind of correlates to the sort of stuff that you see on my channel. But I thought I'd give you that little insight into me and who I am and where I come from, and hopefully that kind of gives you more context as to why I do the videos that I do. It's been about 3. I think the reason why I came up with the name Style with Substance is because it just represented all of that in a really succinct way. And it does what it says on the tin. I just wanted it to be something simple. And I really do sincerely hope that if you are coming here for the first time or if you are coming back here, that the content that I bring you in 2018 is really going to enrich your life and is really going to make you the best version of you. Because that's basically all I want to be, and that is what I would want for the people that watch my videos. It's been about 3 years of being on YouTube and I have definitely come a long way. I have learnt so much, but I think the most important thing is I figured out what exactly my place is here on this platform and what I want to share with you guys through my content and the kind of journey that I'm going to be taking this channel on. So at the end of last year, I basically put together a mission statement for my channel and for Style with Substance as a brand. The Style with Substance mission statement is to empower women to be the best version of themselves by helping them to expand their bookcases as well as their wardrobes. So this means me becoming an opinion leader on office fashion and casual wear, lifestyle trends and personal development, very important part, to an audience of 100,000. Now, I'm going to cover off a few different elements in that. So I'll start with the last thing, which was to an audience of 100,000. As I mentioned in my last video, which was all about my goals for 2018, I have a figure in mind and have always kind of had this figure in mind as to the optimum audience size for this channel. I'd like to sit here and say numbers don't matter, but when I think about what I want to do and what I want to achieve, there has always been a specific number that I've had in mind which will bring me to the point where I feel like the message that I'm putting out there has reached enough people. And 100k is just, for some reason, is the number that came into my mind. So my goal is to grow my audience, whether that's just here on YouTube or on my other social channels, to 100,000, because I feel like that number represents a significant group and collective, and I feel like if that is my scope of influence, then there's so much more that I can do. And there's so much more that I can bring to my channel to help you guys and to help loads of people. And the support that comes with that and the backing that comes with that number is exactly kind of where I want to be. So that's my goal for this year, to grow to 100k. And I think that as far as Style with Substance is concerned, that is where I see my sweet spot. Then there is office fashion and casual wear, because I think for my life, fashion is practicality. It has to be workable in the things that I do. Unfortunately, I am not a model and I am not a clothes designer. So for me, fashion has to work for the office, it has to work for when I'm out and about on the weekend with friends and family, when I'm at occasions like weddings, parties, things like that. So right now I don't foresee me bringing to you what's on the runways or the latest trends in the world of high fashion or couture or things like that. And that is why I've kind of very much streamlined it in on office fashion and casual wear, because those are the things that I get the most used out of. And I think those are the things that the people, you guys who are already subscribed to my channel, really enjoy, because that reflects what you guys are doing in your everyday life. So that's why it's those two from a fashion standpoint. When it comes to lifestyle trends, I think lifestyle is very broad, and for me that it could encompass a lot of things, whether that's interior design, whether that's health and fitness, whether that is things concerned with your mind and mental health and things like that. That is what I class as being lifestyle. I say lifestyle trends because there are always going to be new and different topics in that space that I really want to approach and that I really want to discuss and explore here on my channel. So yes, there's a focus on trends, but there will also be a focus on sort of everyday stuff that's just always part of the lifestyle category. And then personal development, because I have grown as a person, and I think my channel has definitely grown as a result of that, through going on a personal development journey. And that encompasses everything from the way I think to what I'm reading to how I am putting those things into practice in my everyday life, and just trying to grow and become a better person. And I think that's basically what it's about. So that is it. Expanding your bookcase, expanding your wardrobe, and everything in between that is my mission here for my channel. So if you are interested in things like the law of attraction, and actually my US audience really, I think you guys find it quite funny how me and probably a lot of other British YouTubers say law of attraction. There is no you are, we spell it the same way as you guys, but it just sounds a bit different, so thought I'd address that because I've seen that a lot in the comments. So yeah, if you're interested in anything law of attraction, in anything to do with positive thinking, in goal setting, in reading, positive habits, if you're interested in fashion, beauty, hair, I will be doing a bit of that, makeup. And I've always had this view that my channel is not just going to be pigeonholed down one sort of line of thinking. So I'm not just going to do makeup, or I'm not just going to do fashion, because I'm a multifaceted person, you guys are multifaceted people, we have lots of different interests, and there's no reason why I can't represent myself in that way. So there's going to be a bit of everything for everyone, and that is why I think that people keep coming back, and that is what I feel the pull of my channel is. You know, you can come here and get advice or get guidance or get some tips on how to dress for work or for a function, but you can also come here and find out what books are going to really build you as a person or change your way of thinking or change your life even. So it's a one-stop shop, you know what I mean? And that is my mission here, to have this as a hub for like-minded women like myself, and guys. I mean, I focused a lot on women, but because I think that a lot of the fashion and lifestyle stuff I'll focus on will be from the perspective of a woman. But when it comes to personal development, I mean, that's, you know, that's gender neutral. Like, everything that I talk about and on that side of things can apply to anybody. So it's not just for the girls, but I'm coming from a female perspective, obviously. But for the guys, I will be looking to do collaborations with guys that I know and bring the male perspective in. So don't think that it's always going to be me, 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 girls, girls, girls. There's going to be a mix of both. So if you are a guy that watches my channel, there will also be something for you. I'm going to be trying to strike that balance between content that is just kind of helpful, informational, and maybe a bit more on the personal side of things. It is a balance that I'm working on, because I don't feel that what is going on in my personal life is always relevant to what I do on my channel, but where I feel that there is a connection, then I'll absolutely just kind of dive a little bit deeper if I feel that it's going to help people. Working to humanise myself a little bit more and just be a little bit more free, because I think people that know me, who watch my videos, yes, that's how I am in real life, but it's kind of more a very much, I don't know, like refined version of me. And not to say that I am like ratchet 100% of the time in everyday life, or even 20% of the time, but it's very much a less free version of me, and as much as I think that I want to bring some professionalism to what I'm doing here on YouTube, at the same time I want you guys to get to understand the other side of me, because where I think that how I am on camera is a reflection of part of the person that I am, I do want you guys to get to know my fun side, and there's a few things that I'm doing in a bid to just get a bit more comfortable, get a bit more free, and just kind of talk more openly with you guys. So yeah, more on that, probably the video after the next one, I'll be talking about that. I want to grow and improve with my subscribers, and I think that YouTube is always fun when you're on a journey with people, and when you can kind of come together as a checkpoint to see how well you're doing. And so that's sort of the direction that I've always wanted to take my channel in, but I felt like I needed to put in a bit of groundwork. But we're at 32k now, the goal is 100k, and in order to be able to grow to that, I need to continue to bring you guys good and relevant content. But I need your help. I need you guys to tell me what you want to see more of, kind of videos that you think would help you, but also the kind of videos that you feel like you would be happy to share with your community, because ultimately I think as much as we can keep all this information here to ourselves and have this little secret society of personal development, I think this is about helping the masses. So if there are videos that you feel like, oh, if she did a video on this, I would love to share that with my friends, with my family, on Facebook or Twitter or whatever, let me know what those videos are, and I can absolutely bring that into the kind of stuff that I'm producing. As you might be aware, I'm on other social channels. I'm on Instagram and Twitter, so do come and follow me there. So that is my mission statement, that is my mission for my channel, that is my life mission, to be honest. And I just wanted you guys to get to know that, to start to get to know me, and then we can kind of go on from there. I think that sets the scene, and let's just get cracking. Hopefully you guys have had a good first week. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to leave it there. Do subscribe if you're not already subscribed, it really helps me out. Comment down below and let me know what you want to see more of and what you're really excited about for this year. Thanks again, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!